Hi to all my awesome family and friends joining in on this video. I am joining in with Sunshine on a Fall Tablescape, hosted by Shangie's Living to the Fullest. She has an awesome channel. If you're not already following her, please go over and check her channel out. She always does such beautiful things on her channel. Just look at what she did here. Is it not glamorous and beautiful, just like her? And then we have Fabulous Design on a Budget. She is another one that does beautiful work on her channel. If you're not already following her, please go over and give her a look. I know you will enjoy her channel. And she always does such beautiful displays of home tablescapes and all kinds of beautiful things on her channel. You will really love her channel a lot, I'm sure. She always has so many beautiful designs. Then we have me, myself, and DIYing it. This channel is awesome. She always has so much content up every single week. You will never get bored on her channel. She does beautiful home decor, tablescapes, DIY projects. There's always something new on her channel, and she always comes up with such beautiful, glamorous things. There's always a piece of glamour in all of her beautiful tablescapes. I know you're going to love her. Then we have Pat with Style. Oh my gosh, she is such a sweetie. I just love her to pieces. I watch her all the time, and she does all kinds of inexpensive DIY projects anyone could put together on a budget. And on top of that, she does such glamorous tablescapes and sense of style all the time on her channel. Give her a chance. If you're not already following her, run over there and check her channel out. As you can tell by this little clip, she always does such a beautiful job on everything she puts her mind to. I love watching her channel, and she always has something interesting to see. Then we have Timeless Elegance Designs by V. Another awesome channel. Does all kinds of creative things on her channel also. I know you're going to love her channel. Please go over and check her out. And look how romantic this looks. She always does such glamorous things on her channel. I love to watch and see what she comes up with. And all of her stuff is done on a budget. You can put this together for a very small amount of money. Now let's see what Grandma did. Good morning to all my awesome followers. We have another awesome tablescape. Is it not beautiful? This tablescape is called Sunshine on a Fall Tablescape. This is being hosted by Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest. Co-hosts are Fabulous Design on a Budget, me, myself, and DIYing it, and Style with Pat, and Timeless Elegance Design by V. So that is who I'm joining in with today. I hope you enjoy this tablescape that I have put together for this collab. Thought it turned out pretty nice myself. Now, you know how Grandma is. She always likes letting you know what she spends for everything. I try to repurpose as many items as I can and spend as little money as I can. The only thing new on this table are these pieces right here. I have a pair of them. I got them on sale at Cracker Barrel for $10 each. And really what they are, they're a wall hanging. As you can see, they hang. And they were, I missaid how much were they? Were $11.99. So I got a pair of them for $11.99 because I got them 50% off. So they were $6 each. See how much I know how much I spent for something. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you what an awesome good deal going over to Cracker Barrel is going to be at the end of the season. This was part of their summer collection, and I bought it in August, so that's how I got it for 50% off. I try to repurpose as much as I can and spend as little money as I can. So as you can see, all these flowers I have used in past posts. None of these are new. The salt and pepper shakers are from last year's fall decor, and so there's nothing new there either. The corrugated tray and the corrugated holder for the sugar and the tea is not new either. They're all from last year. The flowers are from this year, but they've already been used in past posts, so they are not new. That's why we're not writing any cost off. These beautiful glasses, I have a pair of them, are from Dollar Tree, and they're from last year also. The placemats are from last year. The plates, I bought at the beginning of this year, but I've already used it in several, or maybe it was the end of last year. I don't remember when I bought them for sure, but they've been used in previous posts. The wood-looking chargers are from Dollar Tree, and they are also from a previous post. Now, the only thing that is new is this piece right here. $5 for the pair, because I got them on sale. The napkins are not new. I've already used them in a previous post. This tablecloth is not new. It's been used quite a few times too. So I hope you like this tablescape that I put together for a total of $12. That's all I spent. And the only thing new on this table are these beautiful lace pieces. And I thought they gave a beautiful look, and they're metal, to this tablescape. And it really does look country, doesn't it? I don't do a lot of farm style or country style tablescapes, and here is one. I was so happy to see it. Please let me know in the comment section if you like it and if you would like some more like this in the future. I thought it turned out pretty. I loved all the beautiful fall colors, and of course we all know Grandma loves sunflowers, and there's a lot of different kinds of sunflowers and different size sunflowers, and as you can see, I managed to get as many different colors and styles as I could. And there's even a little bit of bling. See it, a little bit of bling on some of these. And then these, of course, are the smaller sunflowers. Well, thought I'd let you know I had a really good time. Thank all the awesome girls on this wonderful collab that I joined in. Also, thank again Shangie, Life Living to the Fullest. She was the hostess. The co-hostesses were Fabulous Design on a Budget, me, myself, and DIYing It, Style with Pat, and Timeless Elegant Design by V. They're all awesome creators. Please go out and check out their channel. And my channel is designed for adults only, interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping, DIYs, anything else Grandma can think of. You know how she's always thinking of something new on her channel. We even did a couple of car rides and hiking trips together this summer. Had to get out of the house a little bit and try to stay distance from everyone. Bye-bye from now. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy if you made it to the very end. Kisses and hugs a second time around. Love you so much, all of you. You mean the world to me. I couldn't be doing this channel if I didn't have you here supporting me. Well, you know Grandma, she only does tablescapes for two, for me and Grandpa. So until the next time, hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out what I did for today. Until the next time, my awesome friends, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Please leave me a comment in the bottom section. Let me know what you thought of this sunshine on fall tablescape that I put together today. Really enjoyed joining in on this. More kisses and hugs if you are still watching. I really do appreciate all the love and support you always show my channel.